everyone, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. It is a very chilly day today. I almost slept back. Well, it's almost 5 a.m. in the morning and I set my alarm at 4:45. I usually have that bad habit. I don't know whether it's a bad habit or it's just like used to with it. So every time I snooze my alarm, I tend to get back to sleep for like 2-3 minutes and then sometimes I get late to work, but that never happened. Well, we usually get late to work when we snooze our alarm and we don't have the alternative alarm. So I always prefer to set my alarm 3 times every after 5 minutes just to make sure that I don't get late for anything I planned for the day. So here in Australia, it's winter and the weather is getting cooler and colder, and the temperature usually, I think as far as I remember, the coolest temperature, the coldest temperature, the lowest temperature goes down to 11 degree Celsius, which is, well, in other country it might be normal for them, like not really cold, but for us it's cold. So especially during winter, I prefer to catch taxi or Didi or Uber to work because it's very dark in the morning, so I don't feel safe. But in summer, I prefer to catch bus early in the morning, like 4:45. Well, 5 a.m. in the morning. So I always need to get ready and go to the bus stop and wait for the bus. If I miss the bus, I have to catch the taxi or Uber. So I always try not to get late in summer. And then as usual, if you watch my previous video, you would obviously know that I catch the bus to the next bus stop, and then I walk from that stop to my workplace for like 20 minutes. But in winter, I don't do that because I wanted to get back to work very soon, like as soon as possible, and then I have time to drink some coffee and get ready to the work and prepare myself mentally, emotionally, and physically. And yeah, these days I'm trying to keep myself warm because the other day I put on a jacket in a hurry and I was super cold, so I didn't want to experience that anymore. And it's quite cold, so it's better to be warm. The other day I went to a birthday party and I was super cold. I went to the city and had to get this what do you call this jumper, but it is super nice. Anyways, this is my graduation gown, one of the memory, and here I'm just ready and going to pack my lunch. Well, I've already packed from last night, but I just need to put them all in bag, and I always prefer to carry a tea bag in my bag with a mug so that I can have warm and a handy mug at workplace. We have everything at work, like coffee cup and everything, but sometimes I prefer to have my own flavored tea. So yeah, I take them all. And about the dinner, my mom, she usually helps me and she usually cooks for us. And sometimes I prepare my meal for the next day, because at work I get really tired and I always need to have a proper meal. All right, there you go. It's very dark. Everyone is sleeping. It's super quiet. Well, I'll show you this beautiful balcony scene during the daytime because it's very nice. Okay, now I need to book a Didi. So hopefully I can get the one as soon as possible. Yep, there you go. It's not too expensive, $12, which is like $13. But it always takes some time to get a taxi. So hopefully, fingers crossed, let's see how long it's gonna take. Oh, matching you with a driver. Searching for a driver. Oh, it's nearly 2 minutes. Please get me one. Accept me, please. Accept me. Oh, it's almost 2 minutes. I know. Sometimes it's gonna take time. It takes time, and then it charges me more. Hopefully, I try to get up early, not to get late to the work. So please, yay, I got it. Well, I know this person. I mean, I know him because I've been with him for like 3 times. Stephen, yep, it's him. Let's see if I'm not wrong. He's on the way. There you go, he texted me. Oh yeah, that's the one. Because I have the chat history. Yeah, I think we have the same timing. I am in the staff room just trying to prepare a coffee for myself. There's no one. It's me all the time who comes early in the morning and stay for like half an hour drinking coffee, and then people would show up after. But I feel good to come earlier and relax for a bit. There you go. I just bring my own cup, my own mug. Well, not this one. This one is for the two of this and 1 sugar. I got 2 packets of coffee and 1 sugar, and for me it's really easy to make. I don't add water. I just make a half mug of milk and then put it in the microwave. I don't add any water because I need a bit strong, and the main point of drinking this coffee is I need to drink, well, I usually prefer to drink a glass of milk with empty stomach. There you go, and put that in the microwave. Like.
No, 2.
Oh yeah, I already submitted that. What? Is it due on the 2nd, right? Yeah.
We got it.
Okay, so I just finished my morning shift, but I'm just doing the doubles. So I wanted to explore you to these places. Well, I tried to show you this morning, but it was quite dark, so I couldn't help out. But let's explore here together. Hi.
Hello, baby.
How are you?
Good to see you, mate.
Thank you. Where have you been?
Hey?
Where have you been?
Just here.
I thought you went somewhere with this. So yeah, so this is a very small area, like very small and quiet place where you can come for smoking, or you can visit your relatives and have some quiet time. And my workplace is just opposite of the city, and there is the river in between my workplace and the city, and there are multiple of boats and these are so beautiful. I love to be in the nature. Well, usually the water looks blue and everything is like very clear, but recently we had storms and rainfall, so you know how it works and how it does, or how does it affect to the nature. Well, yeah. Okay, now I want to go to another place. Well, not very far from my workplace. So let's just explore. Let's use this time fully without wasting any moment. So the place where I'm going now, it's just like 5-minute walk from my workplace, and it is very beautiful. There's some cafe. There is a cafe which is very beautiful and which is just next to the river. But I'm just gonna take you to a place where you can sit quietly, where you can see the beautiful views and you can have barbecues. It's 6:30 p.m. at night and 6:30 I'm on my break. I started 6 this morning and then now it's 6 and I finished at 8 o'clock. And I'm just having some toasties, ham toast, because I haven't brought my dinner. Obviously not, because I just brought one meal that's for lunch. Yeah, so I'll be finishing at 9. Usually there's no one in the dining, like literally no one in the staff room. Yeah. I'm still very alive, like very active. I still have energies. So yeah. Yeah. Full on. Okay, so finally I finished my shift. The double shift. It's like 13 hours. I start at 6 and then finish at 8 o'clock. I'm pretty impressed by myself because I still have the energies, but I'm a bit exhausted. So I'm just ready to go home now. Alright, so see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned and take care. Peace.